Hi, this is Javier again from Reyes Waterfall Landscape. This is a fake rock. There's a brown with the peckles like black and a little brown peckles too. It's probably like 2 by 2. And we go this side. We have another rock like 2 by 2 and 3 high probably. It's a nice rock. It's a fake rock with concrete, chicken wire, and rebar. It's a nice boulder. And on the other side of the hill, we have another nice boulder, 3 by 3 feet. We make with concrete, chicken wire, and rebar. So, this side we have mulching, we have couple plants, we have a nice waterfall here. We saw a couple steps here, and a couple plants around the waterfall, a nice tree, and a nice waterfall here. We have a couple lights on there, and we have another light there, and we have a nice stream here. If you need to do something to backyard, just call Reyes Waterfall Landscape, Home 631-2808. Thank you.